YouTube family, hope you are doing well. Today I am showing you about a 3 secret word in Excel. While using that word you can change your life. Yes, you can change your life. In our day-to-day life we are using Excel, in which we create lots of reports and database. But what if the Excel got crashed, or you close the Excel file by mistake and the data got lost? Yes, the things that happen in our life. So if you close the file by mistake, you lost the work that you done to create that report. But today I will show you how you can save that data if you by mistake close the file or the file got crashed. Yes, I will be showing you how you can save all of the data on your Excel file if the data got crashed or the file got closed. Yes, so if before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily new videos and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Also, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know in comment section and below, and I will make that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started on the PC. Hi YouTube family, welcome to the desktop. So today I will be showing you how you can save the data that you work on the Excel without wasting any data if you close the file by mistake or the file got crashed. So I'll be showing you one simple file. So this is the first one simple file I created. So let's see. So I have just created a serial number, invoice date, so I'm just working on it right now. So if by mistake if I delete quantity, rate and amount, okay, and I haven't saved that file and just close it, okay, so what will happen? The data get lost, or the data will be there. Let's see. So if you check, I just remove the 3 columns, quantity, rate and amount. It's got removed and it got automatically get saved on the Excel file. So if I put the amount, if I put the quantity, let's see, if I put the quantity 5 again, rate 145, amount and if I close it again, let's open it. See, the magic is here. So all the data that we will be working, if the file got crashed, or if the file got crashed, or if it got closed by ourselves by mistake, it's not done any intention, but if the file got closed, so we lost our data. So this way you can recover the file. So how I can create this type of worksheet while I work on the data? So it got crashed, and afterwards I can change the worksheet into a normal file. So this is the worksheet that I created. So let me take you to the original one. So this is the worksheet. Let me remove it now. This is the sample file that I created. If I remove this, okay, and close this file, it will ask me yes or no to save or no. So the formula is not here, so I just have to put the formula at the moment. So what you have to do to put that formula in Excel? So just click on the sheet 1, click on right click, view code, then click on this workbook, click on the worksheet. So the formula is here, but we'll be using a different formula. So go to select formula, click on change, then remove the old one, type this work, so this workbook dot save. Okay, So this will be the formula, this workbook dot save, and press Ctrl+S, or you can hit the save icon as well, and the pop-up message will come. So click on yes. Okay, close this VB. Then what you have to do to enable that formula, you just have to go to file, save as. We just have to save this file in micro enable workbook. So click on that option, micro enable, save as, type as micro enable workbook. And what will I do? I will save on the desktop with name as updated, or you can name as micro, whichever name you have to put. Then click on save. Okay, I will close this file. Then I will open the macro enable file. Okay, so you have to click on this option only once, not every time. You just have to enable this option only once. Click on OK. So if I deleted the remarks, let's see, if I deleted the remarks and close the file, what will happen now? Let's see if the formula gets working or not. Yes, it's working now. So this way you can save the data that you work if your file got crashed, or if you by mistake close the file. So this way you can save the database, and you can work very easily with the all the efforts that you made got saved if the file got crashed, or if it's got closed. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell icon, so you get all the notification for the new videos and updated videos of mine. And thanks guys watching for this video. And if you require any help, please let me know on the comment section below, and I am very much here to help you. Thanks guys watching for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.